1 cup of rinsed sesame seeds. Like making popcorn. 1 tablespoon of pink Himalayan sea salt. Making our second batch of Gomashio with black sesame seeds, and this time we are making it with 8:1 ratio of sesame seeds to sea salt. Don has measured 2 tablespoons of Eden sea salt into the sriracha and just ground it up a little. I don't have my tripod, so just doing this to show. The seeds are rinsed first and then heated in the pan, and you just want to keep stirring and pay attention so that they don't over roast. So you want to smell the aroma and be able to pinch the seeds between like your thumb and ring finger. And then you know that you have roasted them enough. So we're making it a little saltier this time, because then you'll hit your saturation of the salt quicker with less with the seeds. So a lower fat option. Okay, for the walnut salt, the walnuts were already roasted in the oven previously. I roast them at a low heat, 250 for about 12 minutes. And I chop them first, put the sea salt in the sriracha, ground it a little bit, and then add the walnuts. And then you want to end up doing a lot more pounding for the walnuts. You'll reach a point where if you keep trying to stir, it'll start to feel like it's going to turn into walnut paste or butter. So just want to get it to about like that, and I use 1/2 cup walnut to 1 tablespoon of sea salt.